Hiding a page in Squarespace can help maintain a clean website without permanently deleting content. Here's how to do it. Log into Squarespace. Start by logging into your Squarespace account and selecting the site you want to edit. Access Pages. In the left sidebar, click on Pages to view your site's navigation structure. You will see a list of your existing pages. Locate the page to hide. Find the page you wish to hide. This could be a regular page or a subpage nested under a parent page. Adjust page settings. Hover over the page title until you see the settings icon appear. Click on it to open the page settings. Disable page navigation. In the page settings, locate the navigation option. Toggle off the option that allows it to be displayed in navigation menus. This will hide the page from your site's main navigation. Save changes. Click Save to apply the changes. Your page is now hidden from visitors but can still be accessed via direct links. Accessing hidden pages. To access the hidden page later, simply use its direct URL or revert the navigation settings.